What's going on, guys? Welcome back to yet again another JECS Kicks video. Today we have a good one today, man. Today we're gonna be taking a look at the ACG Nike CPFM long sleeve polo here. This is another piece that I was very excited to get, and all the three pieces that I wanted, I wanted a total of three pieces. I wanted the pants, but we didn't get the pants. But I'm happy with the crew neck here, as you guys can see it. Make sure you guys check out the video I posted yesterday so you guys can see what it looks like, because this piece has a lot of cool detail and it looks great and really good on body. It is a great materials and everything. So I'm excited for this one right here too. So enough talking, man. Let's just go ahead and open it up. So here's a look at the packaging here. This one I got a W on sneakers. When I went through the Cactus Plant Flea Market website, I took an L on it, but that's when I got this. And so I saw this was going to be dropping on sneakers. So I went for this on sneakers and got the W. This is an extra large as well. And looks like it's going to have a more oversized look. The same with this as well. So I look forward to that. So because of that, you probably want to go true to size. All right, guys. And here it is. First off, the main attraction really about all these pieces are the different colored beaded lizards here. And each piece does come with a different lizard. This one has this color, this one has this color, pants have a different color, I think it's all green. And this one also does come with a lizard that you can put on here too. I'll probably apply it later on, but for now I'm keeping it like this until I actually wear it out. But yeah, here's a look at it as well for you guys can see the detail. Looks really nice, really good quality as well, and definitely adds weight to the clothes as well. But if you guys want to take it off, you can take it off like so if you guys want to. But anyways, here's a look at it. Great embroidery on this piece as well. Here's the other side. Looks really nice quality. I really like it. It looks nice and comfy and something lightweight that will also keep you warm, it seems too. And then here's the back side of it. Here's what it says on the back. Really nice. So the back says 100% pure addiction. That's what it says on the back. It's upside down, so you're gonna have to read it like this. So yeah, but yep, here's a look at it. The tags too. Got the lizard there, ACG, CPFM Nike, extra large. And that's pretty much it when it comes to the details. Obviously, you guys see, we also get here the Nike FLEA on the sleeves. That looks good. Got some buttons here. Got some nice buttons there too. All around looks really good. This sleeve has a nice yellow button. That's always a nice little touch, and the Cactus Plant Flea Market logo. There you go. FLEA FIT. And we also have more buttons here in the front. Obviously got the ACG around logo, around about. So yeah, really cool. I actually like this piece a lot. This is really nice. One of my favorite items out of the whole collection, and so is this one as well. As you guys can see, nice, great details on it. So we're gonna go ahead and check it out on body now that we took a look at all the other details, and let's check it out. All right, guys, so here's a look at it on body, and man, it is great. I love this. This is probably my favorite item in the collection, and looks great. Obviously has the oversized look to it, which is true to CPFM nature, but it looks great. I recommend going true to size. I'm 6'2.5", and my extra large is my true to size, so I recommend doing that as well. Wouldn't recommend going a size down. I think the right fit is to have the oversized look to it. So here's what it looks like though. Obviously the lizard's there. You can obviously take it on or off if you guys want to as well, but looks really nice. Here's a look at it on the side as well. Got the obviously the yellow button there, which is really nice touch to it, really good quality. You know, it's very lightweight as well. So it'll keep you warm as well, but it's not going to be too hot, so it's really cool. But yeah, overall, I really do like this item. Let me know what you guys think about the polo in the comment section down below. And if you guys have any questions about this item, definitely you guys can always let me know as well. So yeah, this looks sick. I like this. I like this a lot. This is really nice, you know, and I love the fact that the lizard is always a different color with each of the pieces too. So that's really cool as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below about this item. All right, guys, so that's gonna be everything for today's video, guys. Yo, let me know what you guys think about the long sleeve polo in the comment section down below. Love the quality on it. Looks great. Definitely gonna be one of the items that I rock a lot. Very simple, it's clean, and you know, has a little character to it as well when it comes to the CPFM nature on it, especially the lizard as well. So you know, it's a pretty easy thing to wear as well, easy to dress up with. So I like it a lot. Definitely let me know what you guys think about it in the comment section down below. Do you guys own this polo, or you guys plan on getting it after watching this video? Definitely let me know in the comment section. And what other pieces did you get from the collection? I would definitely like to know as well, guys. But thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys stay tuned for more, because here at JECS, we got a lot more to cover and showcase, you know, when it comes to shoes and clothes. So definitely stay tuned. We also have videos that we dropped yesterday, so check out those videos as well. All right, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. I'm signing out. Peace.